name is Vanpraag, and I am the CTO of Cellular and Laptop Repair Centers based out of Lake Forest, California. We've been referring customers to DriveSavers for complicated jobs, and when it just absolutely positively has to be done, we send it to DriveSavers as an outsourced vendor, and we've been doing it for about 5 years now. DriveSavers has been phenomenal as a vendor partner of ours. They have excellent communication and their turnaround times are reasonable. Depending on what you need, they're there to help you. And they are very responsive to email and very responsive to phone calls. The detail in which DriveSavers maintains a strict chain of custody is very impressive. Everything we've ever sent them has been returned with tracking and labeling and packaging that shows that there was a lot of time and attention put to accurate chain of custody and accountability for where that device was while they had it. So far, they've had 100% success at recovering anything that we've thrown at them. The feedback we've received from our customers is that they were given a high level of care from DriveSavers, and they were overall very happy with the engagement. In my opinion, if it absolutely positively has to be recovered, DriveSavers is our go-to.
DriveSavers, we can save it.